Hi there YouTubers and fans of trading cards. I am Dudemaster1987 here for another booster pack opening, and today we have some Primal Clash booster packs. I've got one of each artwork, which they are 4 altogether. I've picked these up from Toys R Us and they cost £3.50 each. Now, this video we'll be doing these pack openings, just to let you know that this set is the 5th in the, well, it's the 4th expansion pack, other ones being Flash Fire, Furious Fist, Phantom Forces, and now the Primal Clash. So without further ado, we'll get on to package number 1. This is the first packet of Primal Clash. So, okay, so we have Trico, Vulpix, Rhyhorn, Volbeat, Speehill, something Earth, read it yourself. We've got Mr. Mime. I'm just checking if that's out of focus. Are we in or are we out? I think we might be a bit out of focus there, guys. So I do apologise. There we go. So yeah, Mr. Mime. You read it. We've got Crawdaunt, and we have got a super rare. I can see it. Don't know what it is. Oh yeah, we have got a Mega Garden. Well, you know what it is, guys. I just can't read very well, so I do apologise. So that's going straight in the sleeve. Oh yes, that's not bad for the first packet, guys. So my first packet of Primal Clash cards, and I get myself a Mega card. Mega EX. It's packet number 2. Let's keep it going. Come on, let's get another one. Okay, we've got Marl, Surskit, Cordash, Horsey, Rapitch, Double Blades. Now, that's a weird Pokemon. The Earth one again, Mr. Mime again, Weakness Policy, and oh my god, we've got another. Oh yes, another EX. Oh yes, and it's Primal Groudon. Oh wow. What a start for this video to pull these cards. Oh my god. Oh yeah. So my second packet of Primal Clash Pokemon cards, and I have got 2 ultra rares. Do you know what, really finish this off now? A secret rare. There's 4 in this set, and I think they are all trainers. So here we go, packet number 3. Surely we can't have another one. Phoebus, Skitty, Creecock, Bunnelby, Weedle. We've got a reverse, which is Ellie Cross, I think that is. Oh, I've obviously done the card trick wrong. Escape Rope, Kingdra, Spirit Link. Okay, it's the final packet, guys. Last pack. Okay, Zigzagon, Shawmish, Spiel, Mudkip, Phoebus, Maril. Did I do the country? Oh, I don't know. Oh, we've got another Ultra, guys. It's a freshwater set, Nidoqueen, and oh, another EX, guys. I did pick these randomly out of the box, so wow. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. So, recap. 3 ultra rare. We've got 2 megas and a basic EX. So, thanks to you guys. Please drop me a comment about my great pulls. Thumbs up if you don't mind. Do want to thank everyone for your support and views. Please subscribe if you haven't yet for more great packet openings. Take care. Bye bye.